Hi, it's Jim with the Hacker Family Homestead. I'm standing right under what used to be a hole in our ceiling. That was put here when the washing machine leaked about 5 months ago. But it has been patched and repaired, and the trim has been replaced. Very exciting. But even more exciting is this floor. Floor is put in place. I am so amazed. It is wonderful to not just have new flooring, but have flooring all throughout. Now, we had to move a lot of stuff, so it's kind of a mess right now. But the flooring is in. And so is the bathroom. Very excited. They just left not too long ago, just installed this back in place. You can still see where the drywall had to be replaced. Super exciting stuff. I'm very happy. Still in a state of chaos here, but it's the same floor all throughout, and it looks amazing. So next step will be this nasty carpet that goes to the stairs and all the way upstairs. That will be getting recarpeted. But in the meantime, we have nice, clean, happy new flooring. Isn't that right, buddy? Yeah. So we did come across this interesting little situation here. Get it from this angle. You couldn't see how high up this baseboard was because of the carpet. But now that we've removed the carpet and they've installed this wood flooring here, we can see behind the baseboard it appears to be some wood paneling back there on this wall. But even more concerning is the baseboard's so high up that we're going to have to peel that away from the wall, lower it down, and then put this little quarter, whatever they call that. So there used to be vents here. And when we had the crawl space done, all the ventilation ductwork that was underneath the house got pulled because we installed this little mini split. So all the ductwork is now gone, and so we're covering that up as well. There was a vent here, there was a vent over there. There were some in that room, all covered up, which I really like. And this little Mitsubishi electric mini split here is absolutely amazing. Love it. It's cranking out nice warm air to me right now. And during the summer, it was just putting out great cool air as well. And it manages to heat up or cool off the entire downstairs. And then we have a separate unit for upstairs as well. I don't think I've actually done a full video on this. So we'll just kind of throw it into this one about the flooring. Here's our little remote with all kinds of little, come on, open. Sorry, it's hard to hold the phone and the remote at the same time here, but all kinds of little buttons that we're never gonna mess with. I mean, you can change the direction of the fan to have it blow that way or this way, or alternate. This, when you turn it off, actually closes completely. Gets all the little air out, and then this will go up and close. So it's a cool little thing. Really like it. It's supposed to be more energy efficient, but I gotta be honest, our electric bills are so outrageous out here that I haven't noticed too much of a difference. So that's it. Just wanted to show off the new floor. Another little side note, when we went to Lowe's to choose this, you get to see a sample that's like this big, and it's one of them. So we looked at a sample, and it was like that large of this piece here. And I thought, oh, a nice dark hardwood floor. That'll look nice. That'll be cool. So we bought a bunch of it. And then I get it all to the house. I open up the package, and I'm like, what's this? Why are they different colors? I was freaking out. But now that I see it here installed, I really like it. I gotta say, it's, yeah, a lot better than I thought it was. But I still got more work to do. I gotta cover up all these other vents. These are getting covered with trim. But yeah, we're getting stuff done on the inside of the house. So quick video today, just a quick little update of what's going on. Stay tuned for the video that will actually show how to burn sticks and twigs and whatnot in the rocket heater. And thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day.